With these hot temperatures, dozens of people in Aliquippa, many of them senior citizens, sweating it out tonight. The air conditioning at their high rise not working. Some of them coping with medical problems. Amy Wadas live in Aliquippa with the latest on this one. Amy.
And good evening, Paul. A lot of people here at Town Tower Apartments in Aliquippa here on Franklin Street have health issues, and a good portion of these people are senior citizens. They say it's almost unbearable to sit inside their apartment all day long in this heat and humidity without air conditioning, and they say nothing is being done about it.
But we ain't got no air in the building. We need some air in the building.
Several residents were sitting outside the main entrance when we pulled up to Town Tower Apartments in Aliquippa to cool off.
It's hot up there.
Marcia Scruggs has congestive heart failure, and the heat is wearing on her.
I got 2 fans. It don't help.
Brett Powner moved in a month ago.
I have multiple sclerosis, and the first thing I asked them was, is the air included with the utilities? They said yes.
But when he got inside, he says hot air was blowing through the vents.
And I just can't function without air. I mean, I crawl into my tub just to turn the cold water on in the shower. And I'm gonna end up dying if I don't get air.
We're the ones suffering. Are you ready?
76-year-old George Henderson took us up to his 5th floor apartment so we could see how warm it really is.
This is suffocation in a sense on the long term.
Henderson had 1 fan running, but it was barely working. So we helped him put together a new one he had sitting in a box.
It feels good. It does feel better. And I thank you.
We decided to see how warm it actually is here on the 5th floor for ourselves. So I downloaded this free digital temperature app on my iPhone. It says this floor is 82.4 degrees, but it feels like 86. Management set up a cooling center for residents in the community room, providing water and fans.
Want water? Anybody? Anybody want water?
Residents say until the air is fixed,
Just gotta wait. It might take a week.
Now they knew it was broken last year. Why you ain't get it fixed this year?
And 2 years ago, residents say the landlord here did not turn on the air conditioning despite the warm temperatures, so the mayor had to get involved. Now, I did reach out to maintenance. Maintenance told me that they plan on getting the air conditioning replaced on Tuesday morning. They say it hasn't been working since Thursday night, but residents say that's simply not true. It hasn't been working at all this spring. I also reached out to the mayor again now regarding this story and the property management company, and I'm waiting to hear back from them. For now, we are live in Aliquippa tonight. Amy Wadas, KDKA-TV News.